Good morning, class 5. Hi. I hope you all are having a fabulous Friday today and everybody is safe at home and making the best use of your time by studying very hard and very diligently at home. Okay? Children, as you all know already that we have completed our syllabus for the PA1 with our last chapter, chapter number 3, food, health and hygiene. Okay? We have to now continue with our chapter number 4 from today. Chapter 4 will start the syllabus for the half yearly examination. Okay, so we are going to be starting with chapter number 4. The name is Our Body. Okay, chapter number 4 from your page number 33 of science textbook. The study material is provided for you to read. I'm going to read from the first paragraph of the chapter 4, Our Body. You have already studied that our body is composed of cells. There are trillions of cells in a human body. The cells that perform a common function are grouped together to form a tissue. Cells are grouped together to form tissues. The tissues that carry out the same task form an organ. Okay? The tissue that carry out the same task, that have the same functions, they all come together and form a body organ. A group of organs that work together and carry out a function is called an organ system. Okay? The group of tissues is called an organ, and a group of organ that do the same function for the body is called an organ system. Different organ systems perform different functions and together make up an organism. Okay? All of the different groups of tissues together make up an organ. All of the organs make up an organ system. And all the organ systems in your body together collectively make up organism. Okay? Now we are going to take the whole paragraph sentence by sentence. Okay? And I'm going to explain it to you with the help of the pictures and the subtitles coming below on your screen. Let's start again. See children, our body is basically composed means it's made up of. ठीक है, हमारी पूरी human body. Look at the picture of the human body. This is composed of small particles called cells. cells. Every human body, my body, your body, her body, his body, every human being on the earth, they are all made up of these tiny little particles called cells. Okay? There are trillions of cells. So there are like innumerable cells. Not 100, not 1,000, not million, but trillions of cells. Many cells. From head to toe, inside out, there are many cells. Okay? That complete the human body. The cells, these cells that carry out a function means the cells, ये cells जो कुछ एक particular काम करते हैं हमारी human body के लिए, they are grouped together. That means they combine to form a tissue. The collection, the grouping of these cells are called tissues. We have tissues all over our body like we have cells. Alright? Tissues carry out the same task and form an organ. So I'm sure you all know we have different body organs. We have the heart, we have the lungs, we have kidneys, livers, intestines, right? We have the brain, we have different body organs. These are all called body organs, organs of the body, parts of the body. These organs are made up of groups of tissues. ठीक है, ये छोटे छोटे tissues जो कि सेल से बनते हैं, ये मिला के आपके बॉडी के organs बनाते हैं. Alright, so take it as a flow chart. Flow chart में सबसे पहले आएंगे cells. ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स को कहेंगे टिश्यूज, ग्रुप ऑफ टिश्यूज को कहेंगे बॉडी ऑर्गन. They together form a organ. Now group of organs, all of these organs that we have, okay, they also make a group and that group is called organ system. System of all your body organs is collectively known as organ system. So flow chart में एक और part add हो गया, that's called organ system. So first is cells, then come tissue, then come organ, then comes organ system. Okay, let's read on. Different organ systems perform different functions. हर तरह के organ अलग तरीके का function करता है आपकी body के लिए, which means heart will pump blood to the entire body, lungs will pump out oxygen to the entire body, liver, right? Liver will perform a different part, a different function. Kidneys will perform the process of filtration of urine. Okay? So these are all different organs and they all function differently from one another and serves different purpose to your body. इन सारे organs के group को कहते हैं organ system. सारे organs का system. और इन सारे organ systems के group को कहते हैं organism. Okay, so let's look at the flow chart again for the last time. First comes cells. Body is made up of cells. Second comes tissue. The grouping of cell is called a tissue. Third comes organ. The grouping of all the tissues make up an organ. Fourth, organ system. The combination of all the organs or the group of all the organs together make up an organ system. Fifth, organism. All the organ system, the whole system of the organs or the organ system is called organism. Okay, so you can actually understand the structure of the human body in these 5 levels, in these 5 stages of structure of human body. Okay, now I'm going to just share a picture so that you understand all of these concepts, and this is basically the start, the very basic of the creation of the human body. So please always remember the human body is started with cells, and then as the stage advances or as we go further, we go till the last stage, that's called organism. That's the 5th stage. Okay, please have a look at this flowchart and some pictures. That's it for today's lecture. We shall continue in the next lecture with some new topics. Thanks. Bye-bye.